Hello, this is a summary of chapter 5, 6 and 15. The chapter 5 is about how to select a topic and a purpose. You have to select a topic that you know a lot about it, so you can explain it easily. Another choice can be a topic that you want to know more about it, so you have to do some research. If you can't choose a topic, you can use the brainstorming method, which is a method to generate ideas by free association of words and ideas. Once you have your topic, you need to determine the general purpose of your speech, which is the broad goal of the speech. Usually, it is to inform or to persuade. Once you chose the topic and general purpose, you need to determine the specific purpose, which is a single infinitive phrase that states what the speaker wants to accomplish. It has to be one distinct idea and not too vague or general. Be a full infinitive phrase, avoid figurative language, and be worded as a statement, not as a question. You also have the central idea, which is a concise statement of what the speakers expect to say. Chapter 6. The chapter 6 is about the analysis of the audience that you have to make. When you are working in your speeches, you have to think in three questions. To whom am I speaking? What do I want them to know or believe or do as a result of my speech? What is the most effective way of composing and presenting my speech to accomplish that aim? You need to study your audience and adapt your speech to their beliefs and interests. You have to identify demographic traits such as age, gender, and religion. You also have to identify traits of the audience unique to the speaking situation, such as the size of the audience. You can get information about the audience by asking the person who invites you to speak. Once you complete the audience analysis, you must adapt your speech so it will be clear and convincing to your listeners. Chapter 15. The chapter 15 is about informative speeches, how to speak to inform. Speaking to inform happens on everyday situation, and improve your skills in this subject will help you in your life, for example, in a conversation with your family. Informative speeches are usually grouped in four categories: speeches about objects, speeches about processes, speeches about events, and speeches about concepts. Objects include places, structures, animals, and even people. A process is a series of actions that work together to produce a final result. An event is anything that happens or is regarded as happening. Concepts include beliefs, theories, ideas, and principles. You don't have to underestimate what your audience know about your subjects. You have to explain everything well because maybe someone couldn't understand you. You have to avoid to be too much technical. It is the job of the speaker to make the speech interesting and meaningful to the audience. One good recommendation is to use descriptions, comparisons, and a personalized way of your ideas. Thank you.